Okay, honey. We have a still shot of what happened to your croissants earlier. But you went ahead and baked them, which is good. You basted them. And what are you doing?
You're taking another shot in this light.
Okay. So let's go ahead and have the reveal.
Not so good.
Well, show us.
They're not airy and light
Oh
inside.
no. That's because all your butter left.
Yes.
I mean, I see one like swirl of lamination on the one in your left hand, but
Yeah, I can actually see the swirl.
yeah,
But-
on that one.
Yes.
Bummer. Well, eat it. Let's see. What do you think?
It's okay, but it's very dense.
Yeah.
A little buttery, but it was sitting in butter while I was cooking.
Yeah. So, tell us. Are you going to do a second run?
Probably.
Yeah. What are you going to do differently?
Well, I'm not going to heat it up too much while I'm proofing it. So, I don't know. I'll come up with a different proofing method.
Okay. Well, that's it, folks.